With indirect cooking, half of your grill area is taken over by the lit charcoal, which limits how much grill space you have for low and slow cooking. With this heat deflector mod, you're able to use the full grate area on your grill. So, if you want to maximize the space on your Weber Jumbo Joe, then you come to the right place. Well, let me show you a very simple, easy, and cheap modification that you can do. It is very simple. You'll need to lay down your charcoal grate. I'm using the Smokey Joe charcoal grate. More on that a bit later. Then, followed by your charcoal, some chunks if you want smoke, throwing your lit charcoal in the center. Next comes your heat deflector elements. Your perforated 16-inch pizza pan with spacers. The spacers you can get for a few bucks at your hardware store. It's just a bolt, washer, and wing nuts. Regular hex nuts work too, but this is just what I had. So I didn't spend any money here. Just be absolutely sure they are stainless steel. Otherwise, they will not be food safe. And drop in your second pizza pan. This is just a regular pizza pan I wrapped earlier with aluminum foil. As a side note, I did not invent this modification. I actually saw it on the Weber Jumbo Joe Facebook group. A guy named Johnny Fuentes, so full credit goes to him if he actually came up with the idea. Then drop in your grill grate, cover, and let it come up to temperature. Now the most expensive part about this can be the charcoal grate. This charcoal grate is actually from the Weber Smokey Joe, so if you were to buy that brand new, I think it's around 20 bucks. Using this versus a Jumbo Joe's charcoal grate allows you to get just a little bit lower and gives you a bit more vertical space for charcoal. This is a very cheap mod. I spent about $30 here. Part where you might get in trouble are with the pizza pans. Try to go cheap on those. Be careful about where you get the pizza pans. I've seen some pans online as high as $30 each. I'm sure they're nice pans for pizza, but this is just going to be used as a heat deflector, so you don't need anything fancy. Try to spend under $10 for each one. Hope you enjoyed this quick tip. I'm going to be doing a rib cook on this, so be sure to check out the next video. Thanks for watching.